I'm here with Robert de Jong, who is Product Marketing Manager for Chief. And you guys have just come out with something really exceptional on the internet. It's called the Chief Mount Builder. In fact, you can go in and configure, you can put your characteristics into the machine. It'll calculate exactly what you need out of your catalog, or if it's not in the catalog, we'll extend it to do whatever the client needs. Maybe you can explain a little on detail or give us a quick demonstration.
Sure thing. So basically the main advantage of this tool, it auto-calculates the drop distance and the weight capacity of your ceiling mount installation. So this is basically the first online product configurator within this mounting category. So it takes you to step one after you access the site. And the first question that will be asked is the structure on which you will be mounting. So you got wood, concrete, truss, unistrut, I-beam, pipe clamps, suspended ceiling, basically any accessory category you can get into. So let's choose concrete. So then you got all the concrete ceiling mount accessories available. So when an installer knows in advance that he is installing into an area for which he expects vibration on the second room, for example people moving, then you take this structural ceiling plate which isolates the vibration. So if you click on Add Part, so the first product, it takes a while to load, and then it will be much quicker.
I think it's also a problem here at the CEDIA UK, because we have a little problem with the Wi-Fi connection for everybody.
But anyways, there it is. Yeah. So the drop distance from even a structural ceiling plate is also important. It just calculates the whole thing. So it starts with the weight capacity and the drop distance of this particular part. So then you click on Next, and it brings you to the columns. So let's choose a fixed column. Then it will give you all various sizes. So within Chief we have mounting columns from 3 centimeters up to 3 meters. But you can interrupt those columns with structural adapters and then even lengthen the drop down further. So let's choose a 3-inch column. Click on Next. And this is where you enter a really cool part. So Chief is sort of in Europe introducing this category within the category. It's what we call inline column adapters. And it's very unknown, but this tool will allow us to really visualize this category to the installers. So for example here you see a storage box. With the storage box you can interrupt the column and put in extra cables or a CPU adapter and click on Add Part. So there you see it. If you click on Next, you add another column. So there you see the drop distance changing, the weight capacity is changing, because all of these equipment, they also have a weight. Click on Next. So our Mount Finder Pro, we have integrated within this tool. So that means that you can select you can select your projector, click on Search, and it will come up with all of our compatible mounts. So that means the mounts for which a custom interface has been created, but also it gives you the universal option. So let's choose another universal one, Add Part, and that will add the mount. So then you got your total drop distance, your part list is on the right, and you got your weight capacity. So if you click on Next, you can add additional accessories like support, bracket and cable assemblies. This will tighten up the installation and the strength if you got a really long drop down. This will tighten up the installation. And all of these accessories have been available in the Chief accessory for quite some time. But now it really visualizes it for the customer. So it's going to help us a lot. So you can even add a projector cage. Click on Next. So there you have the total installation.
And when this setup is done, you can save it, and you can actually come back and pick it up again and look at it again, adjust it, change it, and
that's right. So on the right top side of this interface page, you have a link. It's new user. You just fill in your details and then login will be emailed to you. And you got your own environment where you can save all of your configurations. What we can do right now is we can save it to PDF.
Okay.
And this is basically a data sheet, a product sheet, and an ordering sheet all in once, which you can shoot off to your dealer or distributor saying, listen, this is what I configured, this is what I want, here are the part numbers, here are my details, and you're all set to go.
Very simple. That's great. That's great. All right, thank you very much for this demonstration. And tell our readers we'll put a link on the site so people can go directly to the page and try it out.
Sounds good.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for your help.